We have our 2-year-old putting down our underlayment for our hardwood floors. Get that cork down, Addie. Whew.
It said on the instructions to use a 2-year-old.
Yeah. Good thing we had one around.
Should we cut it? You want to use the razor blade?
All right.
Good job. Good job.
Not that thing.
Addie, can you say bye-bye? You don't even know you're being filmed, do you? She has her orange Home Depot pants on.
There we go. What do you think? Yeah, I don't think I can sit on that. I can sit right here now. We can hang out. What do you think? Thanks. Okay, let's cut this.
You should probably spot her.
Okay. Come here, Bug.